Hell, it's got synthetic felt and everything. Oh no, that's that mobile home felter, isn't it? I'm surprised it has nails. I'm surprised it has nails, you know what I mean? Most of these have staples. Yep. I hate staples. Nails are better. They come off easier. Tell everybody be careful of the drip edge now. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Hey, I want to take that pallet out. Just shingle. Take the pallet out. Tell him, hey, tell that man, take that pallet out. Just shingle. It's cheaper that way. I'll bring it just shingles, you know what I mean? If we just throw shingles and paper in there, it's a lot cheaper. I can dump it in that one spot. I'll take the rest of the stuff after.
Just the shingles and paper.
Yeah. I'll take it all, but for now I want just so I can do the first load. So it's cheaper if you jump just shingles, you know, instead of going through that landfill. And then I'll come back and get the rest of anything else.
I'll take the rest.
Yeah, okay. Careful of that drip edge. Yeah. All right. Hey, to the bottom. There you go. Yep. That's ugly. Ooh, that's ugly. Ooh, that's bad, yeah. No good. Broke it. It broke. That's a leak. That's a big leak. Oh, something's under it. To nail. Oh yeah. Yep. Nail. Yeah, that's no good. You have to nail them down. Hammer. All of them. Yeah. Yep. Well, that's a bad nail too, huh? Right on the seam. Oh, that happened. Oh, that's from the other nail. Yeah. I get it. You better jump down again. You better come down here. No? Keep it going. Yeah. They'll keep up with us. That's the best thing you can do, is get it started all the way across. There you go, buddy. You know what I mean? Best thing we can do is get them started. We'll let them have it. Yeah, where's your caulking gun?
Pero la que está completa sí, ¿en la Home Depot? Sí, en la Home Depot lo hay. Compra el de 10.
Good, it's good. Yeah.
basement.
Yeah. What took so long?
Así dice, ¿no? ¿Cómo está mi patrón? Running el daddy. Hay que estirar el chingo.
Cambia la gente. Ahora que traigo billetes muy diferentes. Nací pobre, voy a morirme rico. Se lo prometí a mi padre.
La ropa es la buena. Buena en costa.
Sigue el camino, gordo la pata, desde que corre, tengo la plática, yo no cambio, cambia la gente.
Sorry. I'll get you. I'll stay here. I'll stay. Yeah. That's what I should be doing, right? Lay it. I got it. Yeah, it's good.
You remember
Beautiful.
when
Yeah.
you
Tight.
you're looking.
Yep. Oops. Yep. Uh-oh. See, I think it's a little further. Too high. Yeah, there you go. You don't have any better chalk line? That's the best chalk line you guys got? I might have one in my truck. God. Seems like I have one. I don't know though. Spread them out. Spread them out. Spread them out.
Okay.
Had 2 bundles, right?
Yeah, the one.
Should be. Thought it was 60 feet. I can't see the line.
That's the other one. That's the one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can't see it, so I'll just pass them and let you do it. Yeah, I cannot see it. I'm halfway blind too, so. See that line.
Okay. You, how long
Huh?
you have the roofing?
How long what?
Yeah, you,
Me?
yeah.
I
Maybe
started when I was 25.
25, yeah.
I was 25 years old.
Yeah.
25,
Yeah,
like 40 years.
40 years. Oh man,
Off and on, you know?
long time.
Yeah. I did it for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know how to do it.
I remember you have one truck in Dodge.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Yeah,
I did it, man. I still did it though.
yeah.
I did it. I made it.
Yep.
I did okay. Yeah, I roofed for a long time, just working for myself, you know?
Yep.
That's what I like.
You not remember Patrick?
Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. I still see him once in a while.
Patrick, let's go down.
Yep. Patrick. Yeah, he got himself a brand new house.
Well, Patrick living on the 28th Street.
Not anymore.
Northeast.
Yeah. Yeah.
Living over here in Long Island.
Yep.
Let's,
Long time ago.
let's go and
Yeah, it got messed
Ball
up.
Spring.
Yeah.
Ball Spring for rent. For rent.
Yeah. How
You
much?
have in your house.
Oh, really? Yeah, it looks good. Can't see it. Looks good. Yeah, nobody will ever know. That's great. Good job. Good job. Trash. Garbage. Trash.